This is what it looks like after we scrubbed on it quite a lot. It's not the same black bathtub. We still got some professional cleaners coming here tomorrow to clean all the cracks and corners. We ended up replacing the toilet, not because we had to, but because they wanted a taller one. We had to replace the sink because it was rusted out in two places and along the edge. If you can see, it's pretty rusty still yet with a stain to the cabinet. But all that'll be cleaned up. But, so if you ever see it, don't give up. Be Americans, not Americans. With very long hours. We've had the floor redone. This is where that rotted out hole was. And they asked us to pull the wallpaper off, put texture on, paint it, paint the ceilings, paint the walls throughout the house. We still need to paint here, but we'll have to come back another time with a different kind of paint. We still have to paint the front door, paint the porches again, haul some cabinets off on the studio outside, and we still have some ceilings to paint. So it just goes on and on and on. But this is what you can do. This is the tile. It works really good. We dropped one painting the popcorn. It rolled off popcorn with paint on it, stuck to it and dried. And we're cleaning it quite easily by just rubbing it. And Drew's been using some stuff called all-purpose cleaner with bleach. It works really well. Paint is really good. I normally don't get very much paint on me, but this stuff doesn't wipe off. It really stays on good, but it doesn't stay on the tile. So that's another example of how that grip strip from Home Depot is really good stuff. Like I told you before, we can take this out, I can heat it up and take it out. So good example, although I'm tired and hard to be optimistic as far as upbeat, but this is what you can do, and I believe that you guys can all do what we did just by hard work, and that's the answer to every question, hard work. So be Americans, not Americans.